Welcome to Monopoly. Let's dive into Dogecoin right away and see what is going to happen next. Oh boy, the chart does not look good. This is a daily time frame, and it's even going lower than the previous low when we had a massive crash in October, which was kind of obvious that we are going to feel this. And now it's already felt back in February. Now we are even going lower and lower, and we are back in the zones that we had already in 2022 and 2023, right after the fuss around Dogecoin died. So right now we're at this area, which is super important for Doge, which had held the castle for a long time from June 2022 till January 24 when we finally started to do some moves. And honestly, if you already had some Dogecoin that you bought here and you were in a massive crazy negative, if you didn't sell here, I don't know what to tell you honestly. Maybe it's time for you to quit crypto. But this, like, even reaching to almost 50 cents was like something that if you existed, you should go and pray. You should have took your money and run away with it, because it was a massive luckiest time for you to just take out your money finally from Dogecoin, because I know a lot of people had entered at these areas right when the crypto was all at its highs. Elon Musk was going crazy about Doge. He was at SNL. Like, I know a lot of people that had this, like, had a lot of Dogecoin at this, like, from April 2021 till like June 2021. Like, at that time, a lot of people entered and the first thing they bought was Dogecoin. So if you didn't exit here, I don't know what to tell you, but what I can tell you right now is that we are losing momentum. So it's a good news that we finally can stop here and maybe again do something like this. Like, even we can have like occasional pumps and dumps. But if we lose this, then I probably is the end for Dogecoin, and we probably never gonna see. Like, I shouldn't say never, like never say never, but it will be much less likely, because this zone is everything Dogecoin has, and it probably should keep it, because if it doesn't, then it's over. So I think it's gonna keep it, and we're gonna see something like this, and eventually go back up at some point next cycle or whatever, or like, I don't know, some massive again support from Elon Musk, not just tweets, but something like, I don't know, payments with Dogecoin, and like actual crazy news for it, that could revive it pretty good. But from daily chart, this thing looks dead for now, and its last hope is this zone. So 7 cents, 6 cents, and ultimately 5 cents. 5 cent is the last resort. 5 cent is the most important zone of all time. So this is like super important. And I think, at least I personally myself, I think I would enter a long first time that it will reach here, at least for a of course we're gonna have to see then, but as I think at first, at least could be good for a scalp. And if we lose this, honestly I don't know when it will stop, but if we don't lose this, ultimately we can go for 10 cents, and if we reclaim this back and go above, then it could be good, and it could be a revival for Dogecoin, unless it's something like this, that is like a fake dump and pump. But if it's like something like this, that first we broke this out of this finally, and then we had a pullback, and then this kind of move, then you can guess like, yeah, it's coming back. But that has to happen, I think, when the crypto is doing like much better, like Bitcoin is like, when it's like reclaiming above 100, and even I would say 200k, and that's when Dogecoin can shine again, and that's when it can, the money flows in, and coins like Dogecoin that has a support from massive figures can do good. But that also depends on the crypto market as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and see you in the next video.